These three adults started piano after retirement, and 90 days later, they were playing their favorite songs with both hands. No reading every note, no classical sheet music, no special talent. If that sounds unbelievable, I get it. Every time I tell someone that I teach piano, I hear the same thing. I always wanted to learn piano. Or, I took lessons as a kid, but I quit, and now it feels too late. And honestly, I don't blame them, because the traditional way of learning piano that everyone is familiar with is not made for adults. It throws everything at you at once: note reading, theory, hand coordination, and it's usually wrapped in a book full of songs no one actually wants to play. Most people quit not because they're lazy, but because they never had a path that actually made sense. But the three retired students I'm about to show you took a different path, one that helped them start playing real music faster and actually enjoy the process along the way. When I first started teaching piano, my schedule filled with adult students. People in their 30s, 50s, even 70s, all wanting to finally play. So I did what I was trained to do under my music education and piano degrees. I pulled out method books. And I watched those students get discouraged. Every book moved either too slow, too fast, or focused on things they didn't need. And the music was always children's songs. So I told them, one day I'll make my own method. And eventually I did. I stripped it all down to what actually works for adult learners. Start with chords, build momentum quickly, focus on real music, not drills or kid songs. It's simple, it's structured, it respects your time. And when adults follow this path with clear steps and no fluff, they make real progress fast. Jerry, Kirk, and Dale each came in with different backgrounds. One hadn't touched piano in decades, others never played at all. But within months, they were playing songs they actually cared about. If you're curious how they did it, I created a free training that walks you through the exact steps these students use to start playing their favorite songs quickly and confidently. Just comment free training below and I'll send it your way. Kirk lives in Los Angeles. He spent years in post-production sound and he's a music lover through and through. But piano just always felt out of reach. He tried tutorials, a couple courses, some paid programs, but every time it ended up the same way.
And was doing a number of kind of all over the map internet lessons, and I kept hitting a wall.
That's the part most people don't talk about. It's not that he wasn't willing to try, he had tried a bunch of times. The problem was the method. Because most piano courses for adults are basically just polished YouTube playlists. Lots of videos and no roadmap. You log in and think, cool, but where do I actually start? You pick a random lesson, try to follow along, and suddenly you're 2 hours deep in tabs wondering if you're even learning the right thing. That's where Kirk was stuck. He told me he wanted something that actually made sense. Not more content, a process.
Small, easy to digest, sort of the bite-sized lesson concept. I can just move ahead at my own pace, not feel overwhelmed.
Once he had that, everything changed.
So it's just taken something that was a little bit frustrating and then turned it into a nice and not overwhelming pleasure just to work on a little bit every day.
No more second guessing, no more bouncing between lessons. He wasn't trying to learn and figure out what to learn at the same time. He followed the roadmap step by step, and if something felt off or awkward, he'd send me a video and I'd give him a quick tip to fix it. That kind of feedback loop is subtle but powerful. It's not about speed, it's about staying out of the spiral of confusion.
The whole basic format, you work through different levels, once again at your own pace, has been a huge help.
And a few months later, I got a video of him playing Fly Me to the Moon. Full chords, real rhythm, both hands, singing. It wasn't good for a beginner, it was just good. That's the moment people chase for years, and Kirk got there in a few months. Not by grinding, not by guessing, but by following a method that was actually built for him.
I look forward to practicing. It's just helped me in every way.
And if you're wondering how to get started like Kirk did, I made a free training that walks you through the process he took to succeed. Just comment free training and I'll send it to you. After seeing how much a clear roadmap helped Kirk, let's talk about Jerry. Because Jerry didn't even expect to succeed. He joined just to support his wife.
I don't usually think about challenges, and main reason that I joined is because my wife wanted to take piano lessons, and she called me in and I became convinced that we would both benefit.
He wasn't looking for a transformation. He just wanted to be supportive, maybe try something new in retirement. He told me he thought his wife would enjoy it more than he would. But what happened next surprised both of us.
Before I enrolled in the program, I couldn't play anything. And now I'm able to play and enjoy myself, and it's great recreation.
The thing is, Jerry didn't have a long history with piano. He didn't start with a pile of musical experience, and he wasn't practicing for hours every day. He just followed the roadmap.
It's most helpful to have an organized program of study so that you don't flounder around. You can actually start at the beginning and know where the beginning is.
That line stuck with me because that's the number one thing adults tell me when they come into the piano accelerator. They've tried lessons, they've watched YouTube, but they feel lost. They don't know where the starting line is. They don't know if they're doing it right. And worst of all, they start to believe that they are the problem. They think that maybe they're not musical or too old or just not getting it. But that wasn't true for Jerry, and it's not true for you either. What Jerry needed was the same thing most adults need: a clear roadmap, no guesswork, and no bouncing around, and access to real feedback when something didn't click. Because Jerry didn't need another random video. He didn't need to Google easiest piano songs or wonder if he was playing the chords right. He needed someone to say, here's what to focus on. Here's what's getting in your way. Here's how to make it easier. That's it. And again, Jerry wasn't practicing for hours a day. He wasn't trying to become a concert pianist. He just showed up, he followed a plan, and when he needed help, he got it. That combo, the structure and the support, is why Jerry succeeded. It's why he didn't burn out or give up. He could feel the progress and he could hear it in his playing. It's not about having talent or being young or getting it perfect the first time. It's about having a plan that works and believing you can actually follow it. That's why I love Jerry's story. He joined to support his wife, and he ended up discovering something for himself. Not just a hobby, but something that brought him joy, pride, and a real sense of achievement. And here's the best part. After just a few months inside the piano accelerator, this is what Jerry sounded like.
Don't need no heavy suitcase, don't need no gunny sack.
And before we move on, there's one more thing Jerry said that I think matters, because a lot of people hesitate to invest in themselves, especially when it comes to learning something new later in life. But Jerry saw it differently.
When you literally invest in a course and invest your time and your effort in it, think about it, you're much more likely to stick with the course.
That one gets me every time, because when you invest in yourself, especially in something that lights you up, that stretches you, that proves to you that you are capable, it changes how you show up in the rest of your life too. And Jerry is proof of that. Let's talk about one more person, Dale, because Dale's story brings this all home in a really different and really powerful way. Dale hadn't touched the piano in over 50 years.
Because I played the piano previously as a kid growing up, probably from about age 8 to 13.
He was a data analyst in aviation, very logical. But when it came to music, the old way never quite clicked. He told me this.
Fundamentals came back, but I did need a roadmap, a way to build a practice routine and a way to set some meaningful goals, which Pianoly provided me.
Because here's what most people don't realize. Coming back to piano later in life is nothing like learning as a kid. Most programs either baby you with songs like Hot Cross Buns or throw you into 500 videos with no direction. Dale wasn't interested in either. He wanted something musical, something clear, something that worked. That's what changed everything, because instead of bouncing between free tutorials and random PDFs, Dale finally had structure chord by chord, layered to build skills without the overwhelm. And when something didn't land, he didn't guess, he didn't get stuck, he had help.
Great instruction coming from Caitlin, and the backup, the support, the opportunity to post videos to the Facebook page and get commentary back and get the kind of feedback that's necessary to know whether or not I was on the right track.
It's not about stuffing your brain with more videos, it's about knowing exactly what to do next and having someone there to support you. Because Dale didn't just want to play songs again, he wanted to enjoy playing them.
And I love Caitlin's approach with Pianoly, where she wants us to be able to play the songs we want to play. And that is absolutely, definitely coming true, and it's the aspect of the program that I like the most.
That's the transformation. Not going back to childhood lessons, but finally experiencing piano as a creative outlet.
I was able to get the fundamentals back under my fingers using Pianoly's system and stepping through the building block approach that Caitlin has developed. My progress happened even faster than I suspected it would, and it's gotten me well on my way towards being able to learn and master new songs quickly. So that's a very, very valuable aspect of the program for me.
And here's what I think every adult learner needs to hear. Dale didn't come in confident. He wasn't saying, oh yeah, I've got this. But over time, that changed. Structure builds confidence, support creates momentum. That's the combo that works, especially later in life.
But if you carve out the time Piano.ly will give you the system you need to be successful.
This wasn't about becoming a professional musician. It wasn't about practicing 6 hours a day. It was about finally making music make sense and watching that turn into real songs.
I did recently finish learning Saturday in the Park by Chicago, and I'm learning Don't Stop Believing by Journey.
Not bad for someone who thought the ship had sailed. Here's what Dale sounds like after a few months into the Piano Accelerator. I know how easy it is to believe it's too late. That if it didn't stick before, it's probably just you. Maybe you've tried lessons, maybe you've bought the books, watched the tutorials, even dabbled in an app or two, and it didn't work. Or worse, it sort of worked, just enough to frustrate you, but not enough to make you a real player. So maybe now you're wondering if the window has closed, if your hands are too stiff, or if your brain doesn't even learn the way it used to, or if you're just not talented. Let me be really clear. It's not too late, you didn't miss your chance, and it's not because you can't do it. The reason it hasn't worked yet is because you didn't have the right structure. You didn't have a clear path to follow, and you didn't have support when things got confusing. That's it. It's not a motivation issue. It's not an age issue. It's not that you're too far behind or that everyone else has some musical gene that you don't have. You just didn't have a system that met you where you are. But once you do, you can make more progress in the next 90 days than you made in the last 5 years. You can actually enjoy practicing because you're not guessing. You'll hear the difference in your playing. You'll feel the momentum. And instead of wondering, am I doing this right? You'll know exactly where you're headed. That's not a fantasy. That's what's happening for people like Kirk, Jerry, and Dale every single week. And if you're still here watching this, it means some part of you still wants this, still believes it might be possible. And I'm telling you, it is. If you want to see how this actually works, I made a free training that breaks it all down. It'll show you the exact steps we use to get results like this. Comment free training below and I'll send it over. If you're still wondering, am I too old to learn piano? Go watch my other video next. It'll flip that whole belief on its head and show you what's actually possible. And if this video helped you, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.